Hello, and welcome to Vermilion Public Library's November Take and Makes. This month, we are making some rustic pumpkins. This month, your kit includes a paintbrush, a wood block, some paint, some raffa, and a cork. Suggested supplies is some kind of protective barrier for your work area and some glue. I suggest probably hot glue would work better than Elmer's. So first things first is you're gonna paint your wood block. The nice thing is with this project, you can paint it however you like. I have done a previous one where I painted it with stripes. This one I'm gonna put polka dots on it, and this paint is very fast drying, so I suggest to make sure that that's where you want to paint it when you paint it. And I also suggest you do multiple coats, but I think it's really fun. You can paint it however you like. You can paint it all white or all orange, and however you like. So now you can see that I have painted my wood block completely orange, and why I wanted something to protect my workspace. So now I've cleaned off my brush, and I've decided that this part right here is going to be the top. And now I'm just going to take some white paint, and I'm going to put some dots all over it. I think that'll be nice. And my cork stem, which is going to go on like that. I have Elmer's glue. It does work. It takes a bit longer to dry, but I do suggest hot glue would probably be the best solution. And this raffa I'm going to tie into a bow. But again, you do whatever you want. Get creative, however you like it. I just think it looks cute as a bow. Just pulling some of it apart and straightening it out and making sure it's tight. Till I'm satisfied with it. And now I'm going to add some glue. I'm going to lay this here, make sure that's exactly how I want it. Now I'm going to add a bit of glue probably to the bottom. Ooh. So now that I have it tied in a bow, I'm going to add a bit of glue to my cork stem, the bottom. Stick that on right there. Push that down. Probably gonna put a bit of glue, just a tiny bit here. I'm gonna add that raffa. Just gonna hold that down. I do suggest that if you use regular Elmer's glue, you let it sit for a while until it's completely dry. Don't mess with it at all. But that is how you make rustic pumpkins. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. You are welcome to share it here on our Facebook page. Thank you.